In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Behance thumbnails and walk you through the steps on how to set or update your project thumbnail. A Behance thumbnail is essentially the cover image that represents your project in the gallery, displayed at the size of 202 by 158 pixels. This small image plays a crucial role in catching the eye of viewers browsing through numerous projects, helping them decide whether your project is worth a closer look. Let's dive into how you can either set a new thumbnail for your project or update an existing one. To start, you need to have a project that you either want to create or open on Behance. Once you have your project open and you're satisfied with the content, that might be images or videos that you have added, it's time to deal with the thumbnail. Look to the right side of your screen for either the Continue button or the Settings button. Clicking on these will reveal more options for customizing your project. Among these options, you'll find one that says Edit Cover Image. This is what you'll need to click on to begin the process of setting or updating your thumbnail. Once you're in the cover image editor, you have a couple of choices. You can either use a preloaded image from the project files you've already uploaded, or if you'd like to use a new image altogether, you simply click on the plus button. This option lets you upload a new image from your device. Once you've selected your image or uploaded a new one, you'll have access to a cropping tool. This tool is crucial because it lets you adjust how the image will appear as a thumbnail, ensuring that it's visually compelling and properly framed. Take your time with this step to make sure the focal point of your image is highlighted in the small thumbnail space. Once you're satisfied with how the image looks in the preview, go ahead and click Crop and Continue. This finalizes your image as the project's thumbnail. It's always worth giving the updated project a once-over to confirm that the thumbnail displays exactly how you envisioned it in the gallery. So, there you have it. Setting or updating your project's thumbnail can seem daunting, but with these straightforward steps, you'll be able to create an enticing visual package for your Behance gallery viewers. A well-chosen thumbnail not only reflects the quality of your work, but also invites users to delve deeper into what your project has to offer. Now you're all set to make a great first impression with your Behance projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.